Welcome to Querencia. Our client just closed on this house. It's a 5-bedroom. We're gonna be doing a before and after video. There's gonna be pretty extensive renovation going on here, which is gonna give a lot of value. Just to give you insight, Querencia is on the San Jose corridor, really nice golf course, just got beach club and condos, and it's starting to take off. Querencia has broken its sales record 4 times. There's 2 sales that have been 8 figures so far this year. So there's a lot going on within the community. We're gonna be showing you what this house looks like now, and then early next year, we're gonna have the finished product, but we believe we got a really good deal on this. Come in and check it out.